The southwest monsoon has again become active in Mumbai after a long gap, bringing heavy rains to the city and neighboring areas and causing a landslide here, due to which some people were injured. Several low-lying areas were also inundated following heavy overnight showers. Since Monday night, the metropolis, neighboring Navi Mumbai, Thane, and the other adjoining areas received rainfall in the range of 20 mm to 70 mm, a report of the India Meteorological Department said. The IMD Observatory in Santa Cruz recorded 49 mm rain, while the Colaba Observatory received 29.8 mm rain in the 24-hour period ending at 8:30 am on Tuesday. The incessant showers led to a landslide in Mumbai's Asalfa area, injuring some people. The rains also caused waterlogging in Andheri, Parel, Bhandup, and some other areas, slowing the traffic movement on road in those places. Besides Mumbai, large areas of Palghar, Thane, and Raigad districts comprising the Mumbai metropolitan region also witnessed heavy to very heavy rainfall. The IMD Regional Meteorological Center has cautioned fishermen against venturing into the Arabian Sea at least for the next 72 hours till September 3rd due to rough sea conditions. There were reports of big and small hillslide and landslide on the Aurangabad and the Ratnagiri highways as well, with traffic diverted to alternative routes. Other districts like Nasik, Nanded, Jalgaon, Aurangabad, Beed, Akola, and Dhule were also clobbered with heavy rains. According to local media reports, several hundred cattle were washed away in the floods in Chalisgaon in Jalgaon. Low-lying areas in Raigad, Palghar, Thane, Nasik, and other places were also inundated under floodwaters. Not only Mumbai but the national capital of Delhi and adjoining areas, that is the Delhi NCR, witnessed heavy rains on Tuesday, leading to traffic jams after waterlogging in several areas. Following the heavy downpour in the morning, the Indian Meteorological Department said that the rainfall would continue in Delhi and NCR for at least 2 more hours. Several users complained of traffic jams due to waterlogging in parts of the city on Twitter. The Delhi Traffic Police has issued several travel advisories and updates on the day due to the traffic. They said that waterlogging was reported at Shahjahan Road, W Point ITO, Tyagaraja Marg, Lala Lajpat Rai Marg, Moolchand Underpass, Ames Ring Road, Hayat Hotel, both sides of the Savitri flyover, Maharani Bagh, Nizamuddin Khatta, Dhaula Kuwa to 11 Murti Marg and Anand Parbat Gali number 10. According to the data, 74 mm rainfall in Lodi Road Station and 69 mm rainfall in Safdarganj Station has been recorded in the 3 hours between 8:30 am and 11:30 am. In its update at 12:45 pm, the IMD tweeted that thunderstorm with moderate rain over entire Delhi and heavy intensity rain at isolated places would occur over the adjoining areas of Delhi and NCR. An orange alert has been issued by the Met Department to all the areas of the NCR for 2 days on August 31 and September 1st.